forward. What is that step? Means they're improving our learning skills. Okay, already we know that Naresh IT is in the very good in the industry level of the IT sector. We're training the number of students more than the 500 plus students are training. 5 lakh students nearly they are trained already. So the ranges where we are going Python full stack, .NET full stack, Java full stack, and DevOps, multi-cloud, everything they are going in the good only. So along with that, for your special students, for you only specially, they launched the one platform called CodeWrite. So what is the use case of that platform means? So what is the use case of that? So there only everything digitally available is there. What we need to evaluate testing, practice the codes, write real-time scenarios, real-time applications. Everything is present there only. How they are presenting means directly preparing for the interview. It means how the interview questions will be asking, how you need to do the codes, everything, code editors, everything is present inside that only. So like that, they're your skills from the beginner to the expert level. So what is the usage of code writer? Feedbacks you will get. Your progress tracking is also there. It means so today you solve the 10 questions. Tomorrow, if you're solving 10 questions, after it should be grown. So like that, you having the progress bars also there. Everything is displayed in the real world dashboards, everything. So this is a use case of code, right? So next, this is your the login page, how it is looking in the UI. This is your login page. It is totally combination of the four things: digital classroom, coding lab, project workspace, personalizer, mentor. Is it clear, guys? Now, online Sushil, is it clear now? Guys, my voice is clear. Huh? Yeah, guys. So this is the thing. It is a combination of totally four things: digital classroom, coding lab, project works, is personal mentor. Whatever digital classroom, the data, everything is present there. Only coding lab. So directly we have in this platform, they introduce the one more editor there where you can write the code directly there. Only no need to get for the another editor also. There also you can run that project space. If you are creating any projects, everything done there. Personal mentor. Personally, you can having the mentors also here. So next, what do you mean by this personalized dashboard? In the dashboard, what it is containing is your daily assessments. What you need to do, the daily things, weekly things, and your performance, how it is there, everything. If simple agent, if you can tell means if you enter inside the IT industry, there you have a daily task is there, weekly task is there, monthly task is there. Along with it, they will check your performance also, how you are behaving. Same to same dashboard here also, same to same only. So they will check daily assessments. They will give you after completing the class completion done. What are the concepts completed? Directly you will get a mail on your mail IDs. So what are the assignments you need to do? MCQs, POCs, projects, weekly things, everything you will get on there. So how they are tracking that? Actually, when we are tracking overall, we will track. But here, how they are tracking means concept to concept also they are tracking the performance. It means from each concept, if you can take the 10 questions easily. Now, for concept 10 questions means if you give the 10 answers means you are a good performer. Okay. Same second topic also. 10 questions means good performance. Third concept, you give the only three only. Worst performance. Then overall should be affected again. So they are giving the each and every concept performance also. Sir, what is the use case of that like giving? So now you are going for any interviews or if you attend there what will happen? They will ask a generalized question, overall questions they will ask. But when you're going for any product based companies or any other companies, when you are giving the interview, right? They're having the one sheet who are taking the interview of you. They are having the one sheet. In that sheet, what do you mean that you know that inside the sheet, concepts they will wrote everything along with the marks. So what do you mean by that? They are asking the questions on that particular concept. If you are giving everything, full marks they will give. If you are not giving properly, they will give reduce some marks and they will give. According to that, you will be qualified for the technical rounds. So if you want to go for any product based companies, not coding only, technically also you need to strong how they will use the scenario based questions they will ask. So on that concept, they will give out if it is a 50 marks of the question mark total, you need to get at least 40 to 45. Then only your technical round will be qualified. If it is 39 also, they will tell disqualified. So like that they will see. So everything it should be there. Now this is your dashboard how it is there means, so now current streak is there. Now you will maintain your Snapchat streak, right? Every day. Same thing, if you do daily means you will get your streak here. So total points, top 15% of the points. Now how many tasks completed out of 30? It means daily means one task you will give, right? Out of 30 tasks, how many tasks completed? Task demos. So course enrolled, how many courses you enrolled, how many hours you learned. It means how many hours you log in there. Everything they are tracking. Average score 84%, rank 24. So what are the tasks there? For active assessment. It means four you need to do. So this everything you should be mentioning here, guys. Next one is a classrooms. Everyday classroom is session system automatically send a practical task based on the topic. So after class completed, automatically it will sending you the assessments on it. Next day session, we need to review on that. I will only review those questions whether you did or not. End of the module, you will give a assignment completely. Every model POC and real world projects should be there. Rough projects we can do there. Next, this is your faculty dashboards. What is that we need to do? So next, so content what I covered. That one I need to give you content coverage, everything I need to tell. Choose the topic, which concepts I'm covering, in that what concept we need to tell. Next, this is your dashboard. Now you can check. So total here I have a three things are there. All not started, in progress, completed. In progress means you are doing that one. Not started means not at started only. Complete means you completed that module. That's it. Like this we have. And next, see here. Total how many questions MCQs? 20 total, 10 MCQs and 10 coding. It means total 20 questions inside that. 10 are they are giving the MCQs, 10 are the coding one they are giving. So how, what type of codes they are giving? Now you can check here. Newspaper subscription form. Newsletter. It means newsletter means what do you mean that, Manma? Newsletter data you need to give, right? Some post, vagara, everything. That is a newsletter subscription only. If you're taking the subscription of the news, what data you need to enter, how a registration, that's it. Required field validations. Next, simple email format validation. Email having they are not required field we are giving, right? Email. Like that, how to do. Numeric age input. So multi-email newsletters from multiple emails, how can I take? Login form with show hide and password. When you click on the ICML, it should be displaying. When you click on the ICML, it's not displaying, like that only. So like this is there, everything is there. No, these are the MCQs questions. Like this, the dashboard should be there for your MCQs questions. There they will display your answer also, ma. Here we have a code editors are there. So here we need to directly run the code. Directly they're giving the code editor right side. You can get the all the description of the sum, how it is displaying everything. So next to projects, what are the projects and practice of unit? 20,000 plus MCQs are there all over. 22 FAQs are there. 10,000 plus labs, 8,000 POC, coding challenges, mini projects. Everything they are providing, guys. Just you need to utilize these things and you need to work on it. Now you can say these all are the questions they have. Okay. Next, weekly assessment is also there. Next, weekly assessment is also there. After completing every session, create a POC project or task, submit your work and receive the valuable feedback from the mentors. If you submit the task means, sir, I completed this one, just tell me the what are things I need to do. They will, mentors will guide you about those things. Next, performance tracking, how much your performance done, everything is tracking there. Each and every concept performance also you can track there. In forward, you can check. See here. The core Java, inside that core Java, if you can check, if you want each individual, also we can track this. Everything you can track this. So next, so you can download your report also, guys. You can download your performance report also. Everything they are displaying for you. And next, like this, the performance data should be there. Monthly performance, performance summary, how much you are good, everything they are displaying here. Like this next one is a part inside. So daily, how many tasks you need to complete, what are the pending tasks, what is the progress task, everything they are giving you. It means simply when you start something means they are going to end that one. It means they are only displaying you did not complete these things, you need to complete this. And next one. Next one, this is one of the best one. We have AI integrated mock interviews. What is the use case of this one? Means when you are going for an interview, people only taking your interviews, right? So here what they're doing means AI is taking the interviews for you. Means they will display the question, you need to tell the answer. Then what will happen if the answer is right or wrong? They will only tell those things. Why? Because they are creating this one means you will get a fear of the interview first. Get off the fear of the interview. What is the difference here and in the interview means here AI is taking, their human is taking. That is the difference only. Questions, everything is a max to max, same to same only. So that is a one more biggest advantages for you. Next, digital codes. Runs program instantly, see result, test various scenario easily. No installation needed and practice. So for this, no need to any installation should be needed. Directly you can use the website in the browser only. The code will be runs everywhere. Here only you need to is not like that, everywhere you can use those things. Okay. And next, project taking, how many projects it is pending, end-to-end projects complete or not complete, our Caspon projects are complete, not complete. Everything you can display it. That's it, guys. Okay, we are always with you. If you have any doubts, means you can ask the mentors also, ours also about these things. You can play. Is it clear, guys? This is the code, right? So it is one of the biggest advantages for you. You can utilize and you can grow your technical knowledge also, like this also. Yeah, yeah, we can use. They will share you links with you people. At that time, you can use those things. Okay, guys. So we are moving forward to our concepts. What we discussed in the yesterday's concept, API handling only, right? By using the dot then and the dot catch. Yesterday I sent notes, huh? I didn't send, huh? Arey, yaar, daily I'm forgetting it. Guys, at the end you can just tell me, send the notes, sir. Because I'm thinking they will send you data, right? Don't worry, they will send everything. API handling completed, huh? Dot then and dot catch method by using. You are getting the outputs, huh? మీరే ఉంది ఇంకెవరు లేరు ఇక్కడ. Huh? వన్ మెథడ్ డాట్ దెన్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది కదా. అవ్వట్లేదా మరి ఎవరు అడుగుతారు. యా దట్ వన్ ఓన్లీ నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్ నౌ. ఎస్టర్డే ఐ డిడెంట్ సెండ్ నోట్స్. పంపించాగా. ప్రామిస్ అండ్ ఏపీ హ్యాండ్లింగ్. Yeah, guys. So today we are moving to the handle the API by using the second method, that is nothing but a async and await methods. So it is very very easy methods, guys, compared to those things. Okay, so yesterday we are using like this, right? Today, same to same thing, I will convert into the async and await. So what do you mean by this async and await? Means when we are using the async and await keywords, it can convert your synchronization operation to the asynchronization operation. It means they are converting the synchronized JavaScript code to the asynchronized JavaScript code. Asynchronous means we know, right? Parallel execution. That one only, this one also doing. That one only, this is also doing. How it is doing means I will display you. So second method, async and await are the ES6 feature, guys. Async and awaits are the ES6 features. Now let fetch products. Fetch products equals to one arrow function I am writing here. So everything is a normal only we need to write. Let response equals to fetch of this particular URL I am taking here. Okay. So after that I am using the let data equals to, I need to convert, right? So I am converting here only response dot JSON of. So I am writing here console log of data. And after that I am writing here fetch products of. If I run this, inspecting the page, console. Now you can check, it is telling it is not a function, everything they are writing. Why it is telling like that? Means here, yesterday only we discussed, whenever I'm calling the API, I need to wait for some time because until and unless the data will come, I can't go anywhere also. So here also, if I want to fetch any API's data, I need to wait here. So if I want to wait means I need to use a keyword called await. I need to use a keyword called await. Now, what do you mean by this await keyword? Means it is telling like that to the fetch. It means response. I need to wait until and unless data come, I will not execute. It means it is waiting there only. Until and unless data come, I will waiting here only. I will not go anywhere. So same to same. Now you can check it is only waiting. Yes or no? First response only waiting. It is directly converting. It should also wait, right? Because when data coming, then only I can change that one. Or else I can't change the data. So due to that reason, here also we need to write the await. Now here what will happen? First fetch API will be hold some time to get the data. After that it will be changing here. So why sir it is returning means what I told, async and await. Both are the combination keyword. Await will not work without async. So what do you mean by this async keyword means making the function into the JavaScript. So you can check here, simply here you need to write the async. That's it. Simply here you need to write the async. Now you can check the data will come. So yesterday what we are doing, dot then dot then dot then we are using, right? Today no need to use the dot then. First here only I am telling until and unless you will get the response, you should wait like that only. After getting the response will be stored inside the response variable. So after that we are converting. Why here I am using as a await keyword means until and unless data come, how can I convert? I need to wait there also, right? Yes or no? For suppose one connecting node we will tell, right? Have you ever see the relay race? Relay racing. Telida? Relay racing. One boy will hold the stick and he will run again. That person will be hand overing a stick to the second person. They will write like that. Now parts entire thing breaking. So just tell me, I have a 400 meters of race is there, ma. Every 100 meters, one people is there. Okay. So until and unless the flag hosting will come, first person will be wait, right? Yes or no? Then first person taking that flag or stick anything, he need to give to the second person. Until and unless first person is coming, second person is waiting, right? Till now, clear? So same thing. Until and unless data is coming, how can I convert that data? Again, I need to wait, right? So due to that reason, here also I'm using the wait. After the data coming, next, everything is a common only this thing. From here to here, everything common again. I will not change anything. Just here I will write as a data. That's it, done. Apart from that, everything is a common. I did nothing. Just I changed the process. This entire process is there, right? Dot then dot catch, everything process is there, right? Everything is converted into the just two lines. This is the power of the async and await. We will use this async and await only, guys. Don't worry. We will not use the dot then dot catch methods. But why we are I taught that one means to overcome that one we are using. Sir, why I need to use the overcome means whenever you are using the dot then method, it is returning one promise. Pending promise it is returning. If I want to handle that pending promise, again I need to use the one more dot then. Just imagine that dot then was also returning one more pending promise. Again you need to use a dot then. Can I call this is nothing but a promise chaining for me? At a certain peak level is there, developers get hectic on that because the data every time going like this. So handling is issue is there. Due to that reason at that time JavaScript is having the low demand. When the ESX features came, automatically JavaScript is optimized that much easily. Now you can check 4 to 5 lines of code we are writing in the 2 lines only. So this is a use case of the async and await case. Simple agenda. Yesterday what we did, today also same to same we are doing. Just we are changing the method. That's it. Now open your laptops. That one also I am telling Ray. Don't worry, I will tell. So the question is one more is raised, guys. How can I handle the errors here? Means so I think after explanation this thing you are doing. After that I will telling those thing exception handling. So how to handle that one means so simply here this everything you need to keep inside the try. You need to keep inside the try. After that you need to use the catch. That's it. So try means first it will try this block. If the error came means then it will catch this one. That's it. Nothing usual, nothing I did, Ray. Yesterday, this is yesterday's code, right? First, what I am doing, I am fetching the API. I am console logging the data and returning that data. For that data, I am using the dot then method to handle that. This dot then method, what it is returning for me, pending promise, it is returning after conversion. So to handle that pending promise, what I am doing again, I am using the dot then method. Yes or no? So here what is happening? If it is returning again pending promise, again dot then. That one also. It means n number of dot then are going more means that is an issue for us. To avoid that one, we are using the async and await. That's it. Yeah. Guys, to handle the if it is a true block means you need to use a try. If it is a false block means you need to error. So if you can check what I will do here, I will removing this API. Will it work? It will not work. Then it is throwing error for me. So we'll check. See ya. It is giving me the error only, right? Index.76. So what is where it is index.76 means see this one only. It is printing me the error. What type of type error? Failed to fetch. Type error failed to fetch. That's it. Resolved violation. Is it clear, guys? Clear? Ah? Like this, we need to display the catch the errors. Yeah, guys, you guys will try. If you're not getting the output, means tell me, guys. Easy only this thing. Very, very easy. Just a second, I will give you one more API that is very much helpful for you. GitHub users API that was. Yeah, guys, in your Google Classroom, I'm posting the API links. Handle those APIs also, you will get a clarity on it. Total, I'm uploading the two API links, guys. If the fake store API is not working, means then you can use this API. But before using that API, you need to check what is the data is present inside that. Then only it will work. If you're not present checking the data, means it will not work for you. Okay? Yeah. So trying is not is a problem. Some code understanding we are not getting. What, Sushil? Code understanding means which way your execution. That one only, ma. What you are writing the wrong, you need to understand that one. Yeah, when you are going for the advanced lines, means you are going here new lines only, na. Every time I can't give you the drink the milk in the spoon only, right? I will give you bottles also to drink. Definitely new lines will be added there. You need to understand those lines and you need to implement it there. That's it. How many days you practiced, Sushil? JavaScript. Daily you are practicing, huh? Then you don't have any get this type of doubts, Ray. Seriously, I'm telling. Uh, then flow of execution means who need to understand that one. I'm telling na flow of execution like this, it is going. Only once you need getting means doesn't mean you are not getting. Try it in yourself also. I showed you how to debug the code. Once you trying the debug the code, I am displaying na where what is the output I am getting, how I am using that output. You are just to copy pasting the code of mine what I am doing. You are not listening what I am telling. You just copy pasting the code. If you really understanding the concept means you will not get this type of question in yourself, Ray. I'm asking what you are not understanding. Tell me means nobody is telling like that. Sir, this one is not. I am not understanding. Then how can I get to know? I am not a psychiatrist. Ray. What is in your mind is running to understand that. Guys, that one only I'm telling. Don't copy pasting the codes. If you do the copy paste, nothing you will get. You will get definitely output only. How I'm executing in which line I'm showing every error, right? Every output I'm showing, how I am writing, how I'm handling that one. So why you are not copying that one? Why you are copying only code? Step by step, why you are not going? Once go to step by step, guys, automatically you will only get the flow. You have a REST API, graphical API. This is we are using the REST API, this one. We are using REST API. See here, async is nothing but it is used to make the JavaScript function to the asynchronous. So await is used to wait, await. If you see the word await, you should wait that one. So whenever I'm using the wait with the fetch keyword here, fetch one. So here what is happening? The data should be waiting until and unless data come, it should wait there only. After I'm getting the data, after that only this will work. Until and unless data will come, this will also waiting only. So try and catch means what do you mean that way? Means it is also same to same. Yesterday we used a dot then catch method to error get the error. Same to same catch method is that one only. So first it will try this one. If it is executing means it will execute this one only. If any error came means at that time we are using this cache method. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is there. Working, conversion, everything is the same to same. There is no change on it. Yeah. Out came undefined, sir. Sridhar means output undefined. Just send me the code once. Yes, that's it. Why you are writing the document dot write ln? Okay, you're directly dumping the body like this. Okay, fine. In the UI, you are getting the undefined. Just check you are getting the data. You're getting output in the console log of ANS or not getting a. Sridhar, are you getting output on the console log of ANS? Getting in console. Do one thing. Execute the line by line execution. After that, map and console log of PR you can do. Then check whether it is giving the output or not. So inside the map method you are using, right? Everything. Just comment that one and write the console log of PR. Then check it is iterating or not first. In HTML, okay. Which line, Sushil? Which one you want to see in the HTML? Style only, yeah? Share your screen, Sushil, once. Show me the code. Full screen it. Open the index.html. Write the main tag inside the body. Yeah, now you can check there. That's it. Done, 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 done. Just go for the output. Refresh once again. Just write one thing console log of hello inside the JS. Go and write console log of hello anywhere outside of the function. Open the console once. Yeah, it is working. Okay, fine. Open the code now. Where you are calling the function, you need to call that function, right? Fetch products of. Why you are getting the error? Cannot redeclare the block spread variables. Close the terminal once. Terminal, close the terminal. Drag down. Yeah. There you are using the p dot inner text equals to product. You need to use the products image, products dot line number 11 and 12. Hmm. Same image also do. Just a second. Format your document first, right click. There you will get the format the document. Yeah. Remove that fetch products from there, guys. Huh? Call in the next line. Now you can check. Syntax error index.js 18. Okay. My guess, change the API and use Sushil. My guess, API hitting limit is exhausted, my guess. Change the API and utilize in the new API. No, no, not like that. Here, the API limit is exhausted. So I send you the APIs na. Out of them, any API you can use. I already sent you two new APIs in the Google Classroom. Check it once. Yeah. You can use the above one. Yeah, to do's one. Check the data, what data you have getting there. According to that, you need to write the code now. Check the data, what you are getting first. Directly don't do like that. See what data you are getting. ID, title, completed or not completed you are getting, right? So what you will fetch, title and completed you can fetch and you can utilize. Yeah, those two you need to fetch and you can utilize. You need to display in the data in the UI. So here we have an image, right? Products.title. Title is there. So remove that image tag. Yeah. So apart from that, you can display the any other tags also there. Okay. Oh, not understood what I type. Okay. Just tell me one thing. There you are seeing the completed true or false, right? That is what type of data? Boolean. If it is a text only, right? If I want to display the Boolean data, how can I display that in the UI? First, you need to create the element only, right? How to create element? Create a one element first. Store it first. Write any name, variable name. Choice is yours. Document create element of paragraph only you need to create. Create the paragraph. Uh, P only. What is a para diagram? P only, not a complete paragraph. After that, enter P dot or SOM. Sorry, SOM dot inner text equals to products dot completed. Completed. Then remove that line number 10. That is a line number 10, Sushil. Comment it, control slash, don't remove, comment it. Now you can check data is coming or not once. See, your data is coming, right? So index JS21 is not defined. See here, go for the JS21. Line number 17. Remove that image. Yeah. And write again same to same container dot append of peak SOM P comma SOM comma button. P means you have already designed one paragraph. SOM means now you are creating that completed one. And button means already have button tag. Button. That's it. Now you can check output. Kema. Understood now what I did there? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Any other persons having the doubts on it? Guys, tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start the bootstrap only. Bootstrap, my guess, tomorrow and day after will be completed. That's it. 2 days only bootstrap. After that, Ray, after bootstrap, we will do, na? వస్తున్నాయి అవుట్పుట్స్ మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చినాయి రాలేదా ఆ? ఏం ఎర్రర్ ఫేక్ స్టోర్ ఏపీ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంటే కనుక ఏపీ మార్చేయండి ఇంకో ఏపీ తీసుకోండి ఎందుకంటే లిమిట్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది ఒకేసారి ఇంతమంది వాడేసరికి జేసన్ ప్లేస్ హోల్డర్ కానీ గిటబ్ యూజర్స్ ఏపీ ఇచ్చా కదా రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా వాడండి Why you think like that, Ratish? రియాక్ట్కి వస్తావు కదా నువ్వు. సార్ విల్ రిటర్న్ యూ ఫీ సూనా. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫీజెస్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్ రే. మరి రియాక్ట్ వస్తే జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఏంది? తీసుకురండి ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు. దాంట్లో కూడా పోటీలో నువ్వు తీసుకెళ్ళి అని చెప్పి. ఆడపిల్ల ఏమన్నా తోడు తెచ్చుకోవడానికి. ఎవరు చేస్తారు? డేటా ఉంది, డేటా టైటిల్ ఉంది కంప్లీట్. సో దాని తగ్గట్టు నువ్వు మార్చుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా రాస్తున్నాను ప్రొడక్ట్ డేటా కాబట్టి ఇమేజ్ ఉంటుంది. దానికి ప్రొడక్ట్ డేటా కాదు, చేసిన డేటా. దాంట్లో టైటిల్ ఉంది కంప్లీటెడ్ ఉంది, నీకు ఇమేజ్ లేదు కదా. సో దాని తగ్గట్టు ఫార్మాట్. నేను ఇమేజ్ తీసేస్తా ఇక్కడ, నాకు ఇమేజ్ అక్కర్లేదు ఎందుకంటే ఇమేజ్ లేదు కదా నాకు. ప్రొడక్ట్ అయిపోయిన వర్క్ అయితే ఇక్కడ వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనం ఫస్ట్ దాకా 40 నేను ఒకసారి హిట్ చేసి ఆల్రెడీ ఒకసారి మీరు నలుగురు ఉంటారు, 50 మంది ఒకేసారి హిట్ చేసి పని చేయదు కానీ ఇదేంటంటే మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఈ రొట్టె ఏంటంటే డమ్మీ ఎక్కేయచ్చు. సో ఈ డమ్మీ ఏంటంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు కొట్టేసుకోవచ్చు. డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ లుక్స్ లాగిన్ కి, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ కి, ప్రొడక్ట్స్ యాడ్ చేయడానికి, రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి, రన్ ఆపరేషన్ సంబంధించి లింక్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవి ఏంటంటే మీరు అక్కడ యూస్ చేయకుండా నేను పర్సనల్ గా మీరు క్రియేట్ చేపిస్తాను. అప్పుడు మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లు యూజ్ చేస్తే ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది కదా, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో చేసుకుంటారు. అది ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మీకు సర్వర్ ఎలా వాడాలని నేను నేర్పిస్తాను. సర్వర్ క్రియేట్ చేయించి ఆ సర్వర్ లో ఏపీఐ వచ్చింది, ఆ ఏపీఐ మీకు యూజ్ చేపిస్తారు. అదే ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో కూడా వర్క్ చేస్తారు. వచ్చిందా మీకు? Yeah, guys. Today onwards, I am going to start the bootstrap. Not bootstrap, right? One more concepts are there. 2 to 3 concepts are there. Tomorrow I will complete. And day after and Saturday. Tomorrow is Friday, Thursday, right? Thursday I will complete the JavaScript tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to complete the JavaScript, guys. And day after Friday and Saturday bootstrap completed. So next week we everything is a projects only. Yeah, guys, if any online people who are offline students attending the online means try to come to offline only, because when you're getting the errors means it is easy to solve in the live. Okay, this is my suggestion, is choice is yours. No, sir, we are comfortable with online means you can stay in the online only. If you are interesting to come offline means you can come to the offline. Who are attending the offline students online. Yeah, guys, if you don't have any doubt means you can leave. Tomorrow again we will discuss. Tomorrow we are going to complete the JavaScript. You can go, guys.